In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create marketing ads in HubSpot. This beginner-friendly walkthrough will show you exactly which buttons to click, what each screen means, and a few helpful tips so you can launch ads with confidence inside HubSpot. First, open HubSpot and head to the marketing area. From there, click Ads, then look for the prompt that says, Get started with ads. If you've never used the Ads tool before, this sets up your workspace. If you don't see the Ads option, make sure your user permissions include marketing access. Next, you'll land on the Ads Setup screen. Here, choose the ad network you want to use: Facebook ads, Google ads, or LinkedIn ads. Pick the one that matches the campaign you plan to run, then connect and authorize the ad account. Authorization simply allows HubSpot to securely pull in your ad data and push campaigns to that network. You're not sharing your credentials, just granting access. It helps to be an admin on the ad account, so the connection goes smoothly. After that, you'll see options to sync leads. This is where you decide how leads generated from your ads flow into HubSpot. Choose the sync method that aligns with your process, whether that's sending all ad leads into your contacts automatically or only syncing leads from specific forms. Getting this right ensures your sales or nurturing workflows can kick in without extra manual work. You'll then be prompted to add pixels. Pixels are small tracking snippets that let HubSpot measure conversions and build audiences for retargeting. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the pixels associated with the ad network you connected. If your website already has HubSpot's tracking code installed, this step is often straightforward. Accurate pixel setup is key to reporting, so take a moment to double-check it. With setup complete, you're ready to create your ad. Go back to Marketing, click Ads, then click Create Ad. Choose your ad network and set your campaign details. In this section, you'll define the objective, audience targeting, budget, schedule, and your creative, like headlines, images, or video. Use clear naming conventions so you can find campaigns later and preview the ad to catch any formatting issues. When everything looks right, publish the ad. And that's how you create marketing ads in HubSpot. From here, you can track performance metrics and manage incoming leads directly in your HubSpot account. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials.